Welcome back, children. Today we can see about the special operators that can be used along with the where clause. Last class we studied about arithmetic, relational and logical operators. Today we are going to discuss about the special operators. These operators are not symbols, they are the words or they are the keywords. And see which are the special operators. First one is distinct. Distinct is a special operator. Next one is between, not between, like and not like. These are the special operators I am going to discuss today. There are a few more is there that I will discuss in the next class. So the first one I am going to discuss is distinct. Distinct. I'll open this MySQL screen. We have already table loan is existing, which has this much of records are there. You can see the content of the loan table by using the command select star from loan. It will display the entire content of the loan table. Now, see here loan amount. Under this loan amount column, 50,000 is repeating there. See, 50,000 is repeating. And this 30,000 is also repeating. Now, you just want to see the loan amount. You can see the content of the loan amount as loan amount from loan. It will display only the loan amount. See, only the loan amount you can see there. Now, in this loan amount column, 50,000 is repeating, 30,000 is repeating. There are few amount is repeating. The keyword distinct will display the duplicate value only once. The keyword distinct will display the duplicate value only once. I'll try out the query here. Select distinct loan amount from loan. See there, 50,000 is displayed twice here, but it is displaying only once. 30,000 two times occurring here, it is displayed only once here. So the duplicate value will be removed and it will display only once when you use the distinct keyword. Along with the distinct keyword, you can mention only one attribute, distinct loan amount. You cannot mention multiple attributes inside the bracket. You can mention only one attribute inside the bracket. Instead of this one, I am going to say distinct installment. Distinct installment. Yes, distinct installment will be displayed here. Just try out without that installment. Just try out this without this distinct keyword. Now all the installment will be repeated. The duplicate values also will be displayed. Now when you use distinct installment, the duplicate value will display only once. So that is the use of distinct keyword. All of you understood? Distinct value will be displayed. You can apply the distinct keyword along with any attribute. If the repeated value is there, that will display only once. If the repeated value is not there, only one time the data will be displayed there. Understood all of you? Now, the next type of special operator is between. Next special operator is between. See that the next one is between. I'll try out one query here. Before that, I will show you the content of the table. Select star from loan. Present content of the table is this one. I am going to use the query select star from loan where installment between 20 and 30. See the way I am using the query. Select star from loan where installment between 20 and 30. That means if the installment is between 20 and 30, including both 20 and 30. Between will include both the values. So including both 20 and 30, it will display the content. See that all the records whose installment in between 20 and 30, including 20 and 30. Just check it and see the output. See the difference between this set of output and the original content of the table. Here 20 and 30 means this record, that means that 1002 and 2002, and the next one is 3003. So only these three records will be displayed. So for this record, it is not in that range, so that is not displaying there. Understood all of you? Simple query. I'll change the query like this. Instead of this installment, I am going to say int amount. Int amount between, I am going to say int amount between 2000 and 3500. 3500. So that means in between the range 2000 and 3500. Int amount between, the test condition is based on this int amount. Condition is specifying on this particular attribute. So it will check the condition on this int amount and between 2000 and 3500. So you will get 4 records over here. Just check it with the original content of the table. Original content of the table is this one, and the present content of the table and the present query is this one. See here 2000, between 2000 and 3500. How many records? Just count it and see whether the same records are displaying there. So between will include both the value. Now I am going to change the query in this way. So now we studied two different types of special operators. One is distinct, another one is between. Next I am going to try out not between. Not between. Two different words, not space between, which will do the opposite of whatever the between is doing. Its opposite is doing this not between. I'll change the same query here. It is not between, not between, not space between. See the query. Just go through the query, all of you. Not between 2000 and 3500. So that means it will check all the records whose int amount is less than 20,000 or greater than 3,000, less than 2,000 or greater than 3,500. It will display all the records whose int amount is less than 2,000 or greater than 3,500. Okay, so it is what I'm using is not between. Just check in. You got the answer, less than 2,000 and greater than 3,500. Only these records are there, so that will be displayed. You can compare with the original content. Just see the original content of the table using the select star from table name and use this query. So now we studied 3 different special type of operators. One is distinct, one is between, one is not between. And the next one is like. Next operator is like. Like operator is used along with the character data type. It is used along with the character or varchar data type. Normally it is used with the character and varchar data type. It cannot be used with the integer or decimal data type. All of you understood? Yes. I am going to explain the next operator, like operator. L-I-K-E, like operator. Along with the like operator, you can use 2 different types of characters, that is underscore and percentage. Like operator is also known as pattern matching operator. Along with the like operator, you have to use one of the character, that is percentage sign or underscore sign. Percentage represent any number of characters, whereas underscore represent only one character. See this one? Next is like operator. This operator is also known as pattern matching operator. And it is used to search for a specific pattern of values. This like operator is used for searching for a specific pattern of values. And see then, these are the 2 types of symbols that can be used along with the like operator. One is percentage sign and another one is underscore. Percentage matches any string, that means any number of characters. Underscore matches only one character. I'll explain. Just go through the MySQL screen. and I'll show you the content of the original content of the loan table. Original content of the loan table is this one. I am going to use the query like this. Select star from loan where cust name, I told you this one, that means like clause is used with the character or worker data type. Cust name like, I'm checking a pattern in single quote. I'm going to say a, or we can say R percentage. See the difference. Where cast name like R percentage. It check in the customer name column whether the name is beginning with the letter R. After the R character, you can have any number of characters. The percentage sign represents any character, any number of characters. There is no limit for that one. Any number of characters can occur in the percentage sign place, whereas the first character must be R. All the attributes or all the tuples whose cast name begin with the character R will be displayed there. See the original content you can see there on the screen. Now when I press the enter key, I will get the answer for the current query. See, only 3 records whose name begin with the letter R. Understood all of you? I am going to change the query in this way. Just use the up arrow. You will get the previous query. I am going to edit this query in this way. Percentage R. Can you say what will happen now? Yes, you understood. I know that you understood. What happened now? It will check the customer name whose name end with the character R. It will check the customer name whose name end with the character R. Here actually we don't have a name ending with R. So it will display the answer empty set. There is no record. So that is why it is giving you the answer empty set. I'll change the query like this. I'm going to change this as N. Means, yes, what is the meaning? It will display all the records whose name ending with the character N. Yes, there are 3 names are there, 3 records whose name ending with the character N. So that is displayed here. So you have to check it there in the customer name column. Check it, the customer name column ending with the N. You check it whether it is working with the capital N or not. See here in your table it will be small letter and we are trying out with capital N. Just check it whether it will display or not. Yes, you got it. You got it. It's displaying 3 records. It's ending with capital. It's ending with small n. It's ending with N. Understood all of you? Now, I am going to change the query in this way. See, instead of this one, I am going to say it is means. Can you say what is the meaning? It must start with K and it must end with N. Very good. It's very good. So that means it is starting with K and ending with N. Just press the enter key. Yes, you have only one record whose name starting with K and ending with N. So I think all of you understood what's the purpose of that percentage. In that percentage place, you can have any number of characters, any character and any number of characters. Now, there will be one more character that can be used along with the like clauses, that is underscore. Underscore represent only one character. Underscore represent only one character. I'll change the query like this. I am going to write like this. Underscore, this is not hyphen, it is underscore. Underscore N percentage. Can you say what will happen when I write the query like this? Inside that underscore part, any character, only one character, it can be anything. But the second character of the customer name must be N. After that N, you can have any number of characters. Once again, I'll say the first position can be any alphabet, can be any character. But the second position is must be N, the customer name. Second character in the customer name must be N. And the remaining can be any number of characters. See how we have only one record is there that is displaying there. I'm going to write like this. See, can you say what will happen when I write like this? percentage, and next I'm going to write M underscore. Can you say? So that means the last character can be anything, but the second last character must be M. You have to search for a particular customer name whose second last character must be M. First position or remaining position can be anything. Just press the enter key. We don't have a record like this. So that is why it's showing the error message empty set. It is not the error message. It is just showing that there is no record satisfying that particular condition. That is why empty set message displaying there. I'll show you the content of the table once again. Select star from loan. I'm going to write the query like this. Instead of using select star, I'm just using only the cus name from loan, where cus name like n. Can you say what will happen now? It will display all the records whose customer name, second letter of the customer name is n. Second last letter of the customer name is n. Not second letter, second last character of the customer name must be n. Just check it. Yes, we have 3 records which satisfying that particular record, particular condition. So that is displayed here. All of you understood? Now I discussed for 3 different types of special operators. First one is distinct. Second one is between, along with not between also there. Now it is like. Like operator is also known as pattern matching operator. And along with like operator, we are using 2 different characters. One is percentage sign and another one is underscore sign. Percentage sign represent any number of characters. Underscore represent only one character. All of you understood? I'll just change the query like this. Can you say what will happen when I write like this? It is, I'm going to write a query like this. See that? All the records whose customer name consists of the character n. All the records it display all the customer name in the loan table, from the loan table, whose name consists of the character. It can be that n can occur anywhere. It can come on the beginning, or it can come on at the end, or anywhere in between. Just check it. Yes, all the records, all the customer name consist of the character n is there. So that is why displaying the output like this. All of you understood? And there will be one more special operator, that is not like. Not like. Whatever the like operator is doing, its opposite is doing that not like operator. I will change the previous query. I am going to write like this, not like. Means all the customer name whose name does not contain the character n. Does not contain the character n. So we have only one particular name is there. So that is why that particular name displayed here. I just changed the query as select cus name. That is why only the cus name is displaying there. If you are using select star, then the entire content of the table will be displayed. All the attribute will be displayed. Understood all of you? Now I am going to change the query like this. Here, yes, I am going to write like this. It is not like. Means all the customer name, it will check for the customer name whose name, second letter of that particular name, not with second letter is not n, not like underscore n percentage. So second letter of the customer name is not n. Check it. Yes, these are the records. If you are using like, then you will get how many records? You will get only one record. See the difference? So these are the four or five different types of special operators that we discussed today. Distinct, between, not between, like, not like. So just go through the slide. So I just given few examples for each case. Go through each of this example. Try out in SQL. After that, copy down into your notebook. Okay, all of you? Okay, the remaining special operators we can study in the next class. Thank you, children.